Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings, tap on Display and choose Advanced. Now select Styles and tap on one of those themes. I will go with Bloom. Then select Apply, and as you can see, theme of my device has changed. But you can also go into the same settings, but this time select this plus icon. Now select one of the available font styles and choose Next after each step. Color of icons in your tab menu, icon shape, icon layout, and finally, after naming your theme, choose Next and tap on Apply. As you can see, theme of my device was changed again, but this time to the customized one. If you wish to go back into the default one or delete one of your themes, go into the same settings. I want to delete this one, so I have to click on this pen icon at the top right corner, tap on the bin at the top right corner again, and tap on delete in this pop-up. If you wish to apply the default one, click on Moto and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!